Is your Lexus ES failing to launch Apple CarPlay, leaving you stuck with the factory interface? Statistically, most connection drops in modern Lexus vehicles are caused by simple software handshakes or worn cables. Let us walk through the diagnostic steps to restore your connection. Start by swapping your cable, verifying Siri settings, and performing a hard reboot of the infotainment head unit. If the car is fine, check your iPhone for screen time locks, pending iOS updates, or a corrupted saved profile. Inside the Lexus multimedia settings, ensure CarPlay is not blocked and clear any conflicting Bluetooth devices. Always try deleting and repairing the device first before considering a trip to the dealership for hardware repair. Most fixes cost nothing, making the DIY approach the smartest move for your wallet. For persistent issues, try a full factory head unit reset or check for debris inside the physical USB port. Keep a high-quality cable and some compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember, software glitches are usually temporary, but physically damaging your USB port is a much harder fix. If these steps fixed your Lexus CarPlay, hit that like button and subscribe for more maintenance tips.